Meaning of Horlicks.
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 Horlicks. Horlicks is a malted milk drink that was first developed in England in the late 19th century. It was created by brothers James and William Horlick, who wanted to create a nutritious drink that could be easily digested. The drink is made from malted barley, wheat, and milk, and has a sweet, creamy taste. Horlicks is often marketed as a health drink, as it contains a range of vitamins and minerals. It is also popular as a bedtime drink, as it is believed to help promote sleep. Overall, Horlicks is a tasty and nutritious beverage with a long history and a loyal following.